Antarctica. The windiest, coldest, and driest continent on Earth. Sitting at the very bottom of our planet, this colossal ice shield holds 70% of the world's fresh water. During the winter months, when the sea ice freezes around its shores, Antarctica effectively doubles in size, becoming a frozen wilderness as large as Europe. Here, winds can reach speeds of 200 miles per hour, and winter temperatures plunge to -80 degrees Celsius. To the human eye, it appears to be a silent, lifeless desert of white. Yet, this unforgiving realm is home to one of evolution's greatest masterworks. Glaciers are far more than just frozen masses of water, they are the giant thermostats governing our planet's climate. By reflecting solar radiation back into space, they shield the Earth from excessive heat. But beneath these towering ice mountains, in the freezing dark, flows a vibrant web of life. Microscopic algae and billions of Antarctic krill transform these frigid currents into some of the most fertile marine feeding grounds on Earth. And sitting at the very pinnacle of this thriving ocean sanctuary are the true monarchs of the ice.
You're feeling down, let the time fly away. So many times I've been here before, now I'm feeling alright. No need to try, just relax and
Behold the emperor penguin, the largest and heaviest of all living penguin species. Standing over 4 feet tall and weighing up to 90 pounds, these magnificent birds are the only vertebrates capable of breeding during the harsh Antarctic winter. While every other creature flees the continent before the polar night descends, the emperors march in the opposite direction, embarking on a grueling journey miles inland into the frozen interior. To survive here, penguins rely not on individual strength, but on flawless solidarity. When ferocious Antarctic blizzards strike, thousands of birds huddle tightly together like a giant protective shield. Inside this tightly packed formation, temperatures can rise to an astonishing 37 degrees Celsius. Those on the outer perimeter braving the freezing gale regularly rotate toward the warm center of the huddle, ensuring no single bird is left out to freeze. It is nature's most sophisticated strategy of thermal cooperation. On land, penguins may appear clumsy and slow. But the moment they plunge into the freezing ocean, they transform into hydrodynamic torpedoes. Unlike flying birds, their bones are heavy and solid, allowing them to overcome buoyancy and dive into the abyss. Emperors can descend 500 meters on a single breath, remaining submerged for over 20 minutes. Their wings have evolved into powerful, rigid flippers. And a dense layer of trapped air within their tightly overlapping feathers insulates them from the freezing sea, drastically reducing drag as they fly beneath the waves. Life thrives along the coastal fringes as well. Recognized by their bright red beaks, gentoo penguins can reach underwater speeds of 36 kilometers per hour, earning the title of the fastest swimming birds on Earth. Nearby, energetic Adelie penguins build their nests on rocky outcrops. To hunt for krill, they must navigate a constant gauntlet of hungry leopard seals, fur seals, and killer whales. That hesitation at the ice edge before taking the first plunge is pure survival instinct in its rawest form. Today, the Antarctic ecosystem faces the most precarious chapter in its history. Rapid warming and diminishing sea ice directly threaten the breeding and feeding grounds of penguin colonies across the continent. When the glaciers retreat, the foundational krill disappear with them. The survival of these iconic guardians is intricately tied to the stability of our global climate. Their fight for life is a direct mirror of our own shared future. To protect the Guardians of the Ice is to protect the Earth itself.